Hello again. It's me in my car with my cigar. I'm enjoying my sweet Jane, sweet tip, kind of a sweetie smoke, and I'm pondering and kicking around the idea of the future and how bright it looks for me, and not only for me, but for you as well. And I want to ask you something. As you go into this holy day season, as it's closing out, I want you to consider something, along with the idea that Easter is considered a pagan holiday. Easter is also a religious holiday based on the goddess Estar. And if you don't know who that is, then you can understand the correlation between the egg and the rabbit. They both represent fertility, and that is the goddess of fertility that is worshipped and the idea of the pagan holiday. In addition to, this holiday represents the resurrection of the sun. And you say, well, hey, I already knew that. But did you know that in the haste of those who desecrated the libraries of northern Africa, they grabbed information that they didn't yet understand about the 12 disciplines, and they called them disciples, and they misspelled the name sun. Easter represents spring and the resurrection of the sun. Now, if that's going to make you turn me off and say, oh my God, what happened to him? Get over it. It is a resurrection in another way. And the resurrection is of you, the son, a daughter. And the challenge is for you to become resurrected. Come out of your slumber and make a decision for the betterment of you, your children, your family, your community, and your world. And stop becoming preoccupied and wasting time waiting on this to happen, hoping for that to happen, and not focusing on what is happening and what I can make happen. So before you go out and spend money you don't have to put on clothing you can't afford, and clothing for those who can't, it's not about new clothes. It's not about the first or second time you're going to church this year. It's about the betterment of you. And whether you choose this philosophy, this religion, or that religion, or whatever, you got to choose something that is going to put you to work. And not in the sense of work, but in the sense of, in the purpose of working the plan, planning the work, and continuing to keep yourself busy. There's a lot to be done, and you're wasting away with sleep, television, gossiping, hating, causing riffraff, repeating riffraff, and raising a generation that is unwilling to accept their responsibility for what's going on in this world. Yeah, it's me in my car with my cigar. Like this video and share it. Like and share. And catch up with me on YouTube. Subscribe. Like, share. Thank you much.